Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone or iPad drain battery fast after the iOS 15 update. So as you can see here, I have iOS 15 and I'm going to show you how you can just fix the battery drain problem on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, just remove the widgets on your home screen. If you have added any widgets on the home screen, just remove all the widgets from here. Then simply guys, just click on settings, then scroll down, click on privacy, then just turn off the location services. As you can see here, just turn off the location services first, then simply click on general, then click on background app refresh, then turn it off. Now go to the battery, turn on the low power mode, then guys after that go to the general, then go to the iPad storage and remove the unwanted apps from your iPhone. Just delete the app that you don't need or you don't use, just remove all the apps. So guys, after deleting unwanted apps, just go to the screen time and scroll down, click on turn off screen time. So after that guys, just go to the home screen and dock. Then you need to guys click on the dark mode. So just turn on the dark mode. If you want to save your battery, just click on the dark mode and use your phone as dark mode. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.